Understanding Turbine Installation, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic, turbine installation. This concept is vital in the world of engineering and renewable energy. Whether you're just curious or seeking to expand your English technical vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this educational journey together and uncover the essentials of turbine installation. A turbine is a mechanical device that converts kinetic energy from a fluid, such as water, steam, air, or gas, into mechanical energy or work. This device plays a crucial role in generating electricity in power plants, including those powered by renewable energy sources like wind and water. Turbines consist of a series of blades mounted on a shaft or rotor. When the fluid flows over these blades, it causes the shaft to spin, producing electricity. Turbine installation involves several key steps to ensure that the turbine functions efficiently and safely. These steps include: 1. Site selection. Choosing an optimal location is critical. For wind turbines, this means areas with consistent wind speeds. For hydro turbines, it involves selecting a site with sufficient water flow. 2. Preparation and foundation. The site is prepared, and a foundation is constructed to support the turbine's weight and operational stresses. 3. Assembling components. Turbines are made up of multiple components. These are assembled on-site, a process that requires precision and technical expertise. 4. Connection to the power grid. Once the turbine is assembled and tested, it's connected to the power grid to begin generating electricity. Turbine installation is not just about setting up machinery. It's a step towards sustainable energy solutions. It signifies a move away from fossil fuels to cleaner, renewable sources of energy. By understanding and improving turbine installation processes, we contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly energy landscape. Thank you for joining us today to learn about turbine installation. We hope this video has shed light on the complexity and importance of installing turbines for generating electricity. Remember, knowledge about renewable energy and its technologies is crucial as we move towards a greener future. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.